Hello, guys. Welcome to the main class. So, we'll be discussing the trader's mindset, right? How to develop a trader's mindset. I would like you to debunk everything you already know, everything you know about the market. You bought this course, right? Because you already believe I can help you. Okay, that was why you bought this course. So, let's get started. First of all, I'd like to recommend this book by that is Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. If you have not read that book, that is a recommendation. Please go and read it. Go and read that book. Okay, so let's get started. Developing the trader's mindset. I'm just beginning with questions. Is trading success first about the skills? Now, look at the word first. So, is trading success first about the skills? I doubt. The truth is, 90% of people who just rely on their trading skills don't go anywhere. I'm sure you know that by now. If you watched the previous video, there was a chart I showed you. Anybody can do such analysis or even more beautiful analysis than me. But the thing is, it is not analysis that guarantees success. Analysis is part of it, yes. But you can have good analysis and a very poor psychology. That is equal to nothing. Okay, I'll repeat that again. If you have good analysis but your psychology is poor, that is nothing. Now, if trading success was about analysis, if it was first of all about skills, I'm telling you, 90% of traders will be successful. But this game is not about the skills. It's not about your analysis. It's a psychological game. The war is in your mind. The war is in your head. Okay, so when you look at the chart, looking at it from the angle of technical analysis, you look at the chart is a perfect definition of the human mindset. It's a perfect definition of the way human thinks. Sometimes you just see how price moves straight. It's a function of the human thinking. Sometimes you see it chop around. It's a function of the human thinking and psychology. It's not just about the algorithm first. The algorithm moves according to the thinking of people. Okay? The market is really, really, really dynamic. Right? So, I would like you to drop it now. The reason why you are here and you are watching this, most of you are not beginners at all. Some of you are already very advanced traders. You may probably know my analysis pattern, everything I'm doing, but you are still losing money. I'm just trying to arrest that at the beginning of this, because that is why this is the first thing you are looking at. Okay, this is the first aspect of the trade you are looking at. All right, we must deal with the mindset. That's number one. Number one, trading is not about skills. It's about the mindset. Number two, is it about fear and greed? Yes, the market, what moves the market is fear and greed. But the truth is, people make a lot of money from greed. I'm talking from experience. I'm not talking from a book I read. I have had over 6 years market experience. So anything I'm talking to you now is from pure experience. I'm not talking out of a textbook I read and no. So far, so good for me. I have made so much money from greed, from being greedy, and I have lost a lot from being greedy. Okay? The market is about fearlessness and a little touch of greed. Look, if you are, it's like the market knows, it's like the market knows when its traders are afraid. I don't know how that is, but anytime you approach anything from the angle of fear, that thing will never produce result. Just know that. I mean, this concept is integrated into nature, right? It's in nature. Whatever you do fearfully, you will never have the better result out of it. But anything you just engage, that is the way I trade, right? I don't do ICT, I don't do other flow like the way people are just publicizing. I just do very basic stuff. Now, when we come to the big question, what is the foundation of technical analysis? You will see my thought process. Okay, so what am I trying to say? Do not approach anything in life from the angle of fear. Okay, approach it from the angle of fearlessness. Now, the two things that can happen in the market, number one, when you take a trade, is either you win, number two, is either that trade is a loss. That is my mindset. That is the way I approach the market. I want to go. Now, I tell my students that if you approach the market carefully, you will make losses enormously. But if you approach the market carelessly, I mean carelessness in quote, I'm not saying throw away your technical analysis, throw away your entry method, throw away all your advances. No, I'm not saying throw away everything I am going to be teaching you in this course. No. All those are tools and you need them to make trading decisions. The thing I am saying is, once all those tools come to place, all you just have to do, if they come in line and those tools already meet all the trading requirements I'll be teaching this course, all you just have to do is take the trade, bro. A lot of people, they just finish the analysis, do everything they want to do, the market is staring at them. In fact, the market is yelling out of the screen, please trade me, take me. But they are so afraid. What if this happens? The truth is, you need to destroy fear. You need to destroy fear before fear destroys you. If you don't destroy fear, yes, fear will destroy you. It will destroy anything you do. You see the way I'm passionate talking about this? Because this is what has held traders bound. It has kept them from not making any progress in life. You need to destroy fear before fear destroys you. What did I say? How do you destroy that mindset? Number one, this trade I'm going to take is either I am winning this trade or I am losing it. But once you put the probability or the edge in your favor, you just know that you are winning. There are no room for losses. You just enter. That sometimes the way I used to kill fear, I kill fear normally from using very small accounts. Okay, I started destroying my fear when I started funding $5. Okay. $5 to $10. These are things I can afford to lose. Okay, I will still come to number 4 about stop loss and all of that, because I don't use stop loss to trade. The account is $5. I will show you some of my results. Okay, I will show you some of my screenshots that I have used for, live account that I have turned $5 to $100 in one trade. And I used to max out. I use Exness as a broker. This is why you need to also use Exness. If you have not registered with Exness, please, you can message me. I will send you our link. You just get registered. Or watch any of our YouTube videos. The links are there. So are you getting me now? How did I destroy my fear? I was funding just $5. And then I will max out. Okay? I will use high leverages. I will use plenty positions. For example, I'm using 1 to unlimited leverage on the Exness. I'm not using 1 to 500, and I'm using 1 to unlimited, so that it can help me open multiple trades on a $5, on a $10 account. You understand? But I started from demo. I did it 10 times on demo and did 5 to 100, 5 to 100, 10 times. I went to live and I did it 10 times. 5 to 100, 5 to 100, and I did 10 to 200 in 2 days. In 3 days, holding the trade for 3 days. $10 to $200 in 3 days. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you refuse to destroy fear, fear will destroy you.